How to change your location on Grindr. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your location on Grindr. So to do that, first of all, open the Grindr app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Grindr account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the Explore option on the top right side of the screen. After that, you will be taken to the map where you'll have to simply tap on the option Tap to Explore. After that, it will show you your current location. So in order to change your location, all you have to do is simply resize this map and then simply select wherever you'd like to change your location to. So for now, I'll simply choose United States. Let's select Ohio. Now once you've done that, simply tap on the option Explore here and now tap on the option Change Location. And there you have it. That is basically how you change your location on Grindr. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.